In travel news for December 2nd, 2022, we talk about Princess Cruises, new food and fitness options, the closing of Splash Mountain in Disney World, and Princess Cruises returning to Japan. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights, which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We frequently release new content to keep you up to date on all things travel. Princess Cruises is already a popular cruise line with a very loyal following, but that's not stopping them from continuing to improve. Princess recently announced new additions to their all-inclusive Princess Plus and Princess Premier packages. Both packages will be getting premium crafted desserts and access to daily fitness classes. The Princess Plus package will have access to 2 premium crafted desserts and access to 2 fitness classes each day. This, along with all the current amenities, at a cost of $60 per day. The Princess Premier package will have unlimited desserts and unlimited fitness classes, along with all the current amenities for $80 per day. Splash Mountain, the popular attraction in Disney's Magic Kingdom, will be closing on January 23rd. But don't worry, Disney's planning to update, refresh, and have the ride return as Tiana's Bayou Adventure, based on the 2009 movie The Princess and the Frog. Disney plans on having the new ride up and running in 2024. Splash Mountain was originally based on the 1946 movie The Song of the South, which many consider to be a racist film. The reimagining of the ride is part of a larger effort to be a more inclusive company so that everybody, regardless of culture or race, can enjoy the magic of Disney. Starting on March 15th, Princess Cruises will resume sailings to Japan. This follows the announcement last month by the government of Japan that cruise ships will be allowed to once again sail to the island. The Japanese-built Princess Diamond will be returning to celebrate 10 years of sailing the waters of Japan. The company has released 43 Japanese itineraries that will visit 38 destinations in 4 countries. The sailings range from 5 days to 19 days. These cruises are an amazing way to sample the highlights of Japan, such as Osaka Castle, the Kyoto Gion Festival, and so much more. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends. The closing of along with all the current amenities,